Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study a new chapter, that is, it's only a matter of practice. Yes, it apostrophe S. So the full form is it is. Yes, it apostrophe S. So it is only a matter of practice. Page number 12. Yes, it's a very beautiful story. We can get a good moral from this story. Long, long ago, in faraway China, there lived an archer called Chen Yuzi. So, long, long ago, many years back, there lived a archer. Archer, the one who shoots bow and arrow. Yes, बाण चलाने वाला. He was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. So बहुत सारा उसका इतना अच्छा था कि वो अलग अलग फीट्स मीन्स उसका अच्छा अचीवमेंट्स था. यस, सो उसका स्ट्रेंथ था कि वो उतना अच्छा आर्चरी करता था, बो एंड एरो चलाता था. दैट मीन्स सी बुल्सआई में प्रॉपरली वो बुल्सआई हिट करता था वो. So feats is achievements that require a lot of skill or strength. Yes, achievement है उसका वो. He could hit the target precisely at the center even when it was placed at a very long distance. So exactly ये bull's eye पे वो अपना bow arrow छोड़ता था. Correct here, exactly, precisely. वो भी बहुत दूर से भी वो कर सकता था ऐसे. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. So this man loved to show off, to boost his talent. तो वो क्या करता था, लोगों को जमा करता था और सबके सामने ये करता था और बोलता था, wow, see, I can do this, can you do this? So he used to boost, he used to show off his talent. One day he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing at the back. So one day what happened? He was practicing, yes, in front of his admirers. Admirers, the people who admire him, जो उसको public जिसको ये बहुत पसंद है because of his archery. Yes, at that time he saw one old man. See, this old man, and he is Chen Yuzi. The man was carrying gourds of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. So this man was having gourds. Gourds are nothing but the containers जिसमें oil रखा जाता है. Now these containers are not made from steel or something, but they are made with dried large fruit. ऐसा fruit से बनाया है और उसको सुखाया है. And उसका skin जो है बहुत hard है. Yes, see here, gourds. Gourds क्या है? They are containers. किससे बनाते हैं containers? जिस fruit से, वो fruit को सुखाया गया है and then उसका skin भी बहुत hard हो जाता है. All the other people were clapping their hands and praising Chen Yuzi, but this old man was quiet. Everybody was just cheering. Yes, they were just, wow, they were saying, beautiful, कितना मस्त किया है. But this old man was not saying anything, was just quiet. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. He just stood there nodding his head and said, it is just a matter of practice. तो ये old man चुपचाप खड़े थे, क्लैप नहीं किया, कुछ बोले नहीं, सिर्फ एक ही बोला कि अरे ये तो प्रैक्टिस से होता है. इट इज़ जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. मीन्स अगर हमने प्रैक्टिस किया तो वी कैन डू एनी थिंग, वी कैन अचीव एनी थिंग. नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल इफ वी प्रैक्टिस इट रेगुलरली. चेन यूजी वॉज अनॉयड. गुस्से में आ गया वो. ये क्या, कौन है जो मुझे प्रेज नहीं कर रहा है? आर यू एन आर्चर योर सेल्फ? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows? तो उसने पूछा, आप क्या खुद एक आर्चर हो? आपको आता है बाण चलाना? कौन हो आप? या आपको लगता है कि कोई भी इतना इजीली कर सकता है? So this old man is saying, no sir. The old man replied, I am not an archer and I don't doubt your skill. So what is the old man saying? Old man is saying, I am not an archer. मुझे नहीं आता बाण चलाने और मैं आपके स्किल को, टैलेंट को शक भी नहीं कर रहा. इट इज़ वेरी गुड. ऑल आई सेड वॉज एवरीथिंग इज अ मैटर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. मैंने सिर्फ ये बोला कि जो भी हो रहा है ये तो सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस की वजह से हो रहा है, बाकी और कुछ नहीं है. Chen Yuzi became very angry. What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you? So now Chen Yuzi got angry. बोल रहा है कौन हो तुम, ऐसे कुछ भी बिना सोचे समझे, without even thinking you are passing some comments, you are telling me. Who are you? Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller, as you must have guessed from the gods. So this old man is saying, मैं पे गुस्सा मत हो सर. I am just an oil seller. मेरे ये कंटेनर्स को देख के आपको समझ गया रहेगा. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow, I will show it to you. So इतना साल से मैं ये तेल बेच रहा हूँ, so उसमें मैंने एक अचीव किया है स्किल, एक टैलेंट. यस, अगर आप अलाउ करोगे तो मैं वो बता के देता हूँ कि इतने साल से मैंने स्किल डेवलप कैसे किया. growled Chen Yuzi. Now he was angry. So growled is to get angry. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. सब लोग वेरी मच क्यूरियस थे, एकदम सोच विचार में पड़ गए कि चलो अभी कुछ नया देखने को मिलेगा, क्या होगा, क्या ये ओल्ड मैन रियली अपना स्किल दिखा सकते हैं. व्हाट विल हैपन. Patiently the old man sat down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. See here. What is this old man doing? He put up a coin on the gourd, and now what is he going to do? और ये coin में in olden days there used to be one hole. Yes. See, let us go further. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle. Ladle is spoon, and began to pour oil into the gourd from a height. Like this. एक distance से वो oil डाल रहे हैं through the coin. वो coin के जो holes है ये इतने बड़े डिस्टेंस में, इतने दूर से ऑयल डाल रहे हैं. नाउ यू ओनली टेल मी चिल्ड्रन. मैं दूर से छोड़ो, नज़दीक से भी कभी कभी कंटेनर के बाहर आ जाता है. यस, बट नाउ दिस मैन इज पोरिंग द ऑयल फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस. द ऑयल वेंट स्ट्रेट इनटू द gourd थ्रू द होल इन द coin. When the old man had finished filling up the gourd, he lifted up the coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. So surprising. Yes. So इन्होंने क्या किया? He poured the oil and after finishing it, he took out the coin. And क्या देखा कि वो coin में बिल्कुल भी तेल गिरा नहीं है. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. Trace means बिल्कुल भी उसका छपा नहीं है, तेल हुआ ही नहीं. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. They were very much surprised. Wow, how this happened? How this happened? But the old man only smiled. As I said, there is nothing special about it. It is only a matter of practice, you see. So the old man was not boosting his talent. He just said, "अरे ये तो कुछ नहीं है. It is just a matter of practice. If we are practicing it, we can do it." Chen Yuzi lost all his anger and annoyance. उसने अपना सब, उसका जो गुस्सा था सब वो calm down हो गया, वो mellow down हो गया, वो शांत हो गया. He just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something important today." So Chen Yuzi ऐसे ही हंसे और बोले, "Oh, thank you for teaching me some real good stuff today." मुझे मेरा मिस्टेक समझ आ गया. आई शुड नॉट बूस्ट माई टैलेंट बिकॉज इट इज़ जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. एनीबडी कैन डू इट. आफ्टर दैट चेन यूजी नेवर शोड ऑफ और बूस्टेड अबाउट हिज स्किल एज एन आर्चर. सो उस दिन के बाद, आफ्टर दिस इंसिडेंट, चेन यूजी नेवर शोड ऑफ और बूस्टेड हिज टैलेंट. as an archer. Yes children, I hope this chapter is clear. So what is the moral? We should always practice. So one or the other day we will be successful in that particular thing. Yes? Okay. Thank you.